Hey everybody, this is Bronwyn, my daughter, gonna open her very first diamond painting kit. There's the picture, the birdies, parrots.
I think they're parrots.
Ah, clear covered. That means the glue was poured, so it's nice glue. Oh, neat. It's got a frame in it. And a toolkit.
I need to use yours because that one has the fancy lines in it.
Oh, the ridges? Oh, yeah.
I need that one so this one.
I've got lots. You get one of those with every one that you buy.
And I got the diamonds.
Ooh! Those are good colors. Ooh. Yeah, I like those.
And they're round ones, not square.
Yeah. Much easier to deal with, and they're sparklier. Very cute. I like it.
Well, that was what it was.
How big is it?
You said, like...
How big is the canvas? It'll
30 by 30?
Yep.
You said that earlier.
I know, but viewers need to know.
True. Are you going to post this?
Maybe.
Okay. This is how you do it. Step 1, look at the picture. Step 2, when you get your wax, then you put all your beads in, which they already were. Step 3, you put all your things in the ridged one. Mine doesn't have a ridged one. And then you start putting them on, and then you scratch it, and then you're done.
Scratch it?
Yeah, you scratch it.
Let's see.
They're peeling off the thing, but you scratch it.
Oh. Oh, I see. Yeah.
You're pulling off the cover, but it
Yeah.
looks like you're scratching it.
It does look like the scratching it. That's funny.
And then you're done.
And then you done. Yep.
Made in China.
Cool. More and more stores are selling these now, so it's cool.
Yep.
All right. You're taking my tray. I have other ones, you know.
I know.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.